Hundreds of adverse event reports, an FBI warning, and now a congressional investigation into GLP-1 drugs that may have entered the U.S. unlawfully. Congressman Raja Krishnamoorthy announced that he has sent formal letters to 3 biotech companies demanding detailed information about their manufacturing, labeling, and export of GLP-1 drugs and active pharmaceutical ingredients that may be entering the U.S. without proper regulatory oversight. The inquiry focuses on concerns that Chinese-manufactured semaglutide and tirzepatide products are being used to produce compounded injectable weight loss drugs marketed as substitutes for FDA-approved medications like Ozempic and Wegovy. Krishnamoorthy cited hundreds of adverse event reports received by the FDA and referenced an FBI warning linking fraudulent compounded GLP-1 drugs to serious health risks, including cardiac, neurological, and psychiatric complications. PSM's ongoing freight fraud research has highlighted these vulnerabilities in the global pharmaceutical supply chain, including gaps in transparency and oversight that can allow questionable products to move across borders and into the U.S. The companies have been asked to provide detailed product lists, U.S. customer disclosures, labeling practices, FDA registrations, inspection history, and safety testing documentation by January 31, 2026. But we don't need to wait for that to protect Americans. Customs and FDA will have some records of shipments by these companies to the customers in the U.S. already. Unless their products were completely smuggled in, FDA and Customs could open an investigation into all shipments into the U.S. by these 3 companies today. They could follow the shipments to the destinations, which are likely illegal compounders, med spas, and maybe even the occasional compounding pharmacy cutting corners. We're excited that Congressman Krishnamoorthy is stepping up to demand transparency and protect American patients. Check out our full research to see what else we've uncovered about supply chain risks and medical freight fraud in pharmaceuticals on our website, safemedicines.org.